Hi, I'm Nadia. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy punchy chicken and rice using my punchy chicken and rice one-pan recipe mix created in partnership with the flavour experts at Schwartz. So let's get straight into it. To start off, I've got oil in a pan, and to that simple ingredient stuff we've got at home, I'm going to add some onion and then the chicken. And as soon as that oil starts to heat up, we're going to cook that for 10 minutes till it's lovely and golden. Okay, so while that chicken is browning, I am going to chop up one pepper, and I'm just using ingredients that I've got at home in the fridge, in the freezer. I've got some pepper, I've got some frozen sweet corn, stuff that we've all got at home. Nice big chunks. Okay, so you can see that the chicken has browned. Because this recipe is so simple, doing these little things helps to amplify that flavor, really make the dish sing. So cook the chicken till it's lovely and brown, and that caramelized flavor is going to come right through. So now, in with the peppers, frozen sweet corn, straight out of the freezer, and then we've got some rice, uncooked. Get that straight in there. Okay, so we've got our pepper, we've got our sweet corn, we've got our rice, and now for our seasoning, our punchy seasoning. And boy, does this punch you in the taste buds. It is so good. Packed with garlic, paprika. It's zesty, it's delicious. And now we're gonna mix that so everything is really well combined. We wanna make sure all of those grains of rice are coated in all of that flavor in the oil. Now, I've got kids, I've got teenagers, and they are eating me out of house and home. They love to eat. So anywhere where I can cook everything in one pot, few dishes, I'm in and out and they're fed, I'm happy. So give me a one pan any day. And I'm giving you a one pan. You guys are gonna love this one. And hardly any dishes and delicious, delicious food. Make sure everything's coated. And then just to add to that punchy flavor, I've got tinned tomatoes. I'm gonna pop those straight in. Add some water. All in. Okay, now carefully mix that through. Make sure everything's combined. Make sure the tomatoes mixed in really well. Okay, so as soon as it comes to a simmer, just turn it right down. Pop the lid on and leave that to steam for about 15 minutes, and you'll have beautiful fluffy rice. Okay, so this has had 15 minutes, and in those 15 minutes the rice will have cooked and all of those flavors would have really developed. I'm just going to mix all of that through. Oh my goodness, the fragrance. Like, there are so many amazing flavors, but when you cook it, you can really smell those flavors. You've got smoked paprika, you've got garlic, coriander leaves, and a little hint of chili. Just mix that. My mouth is watering. And if you're thinking, you know what, actually I don't fancy chicken, try paneer, try tofu, really good alternatives. Look at that. That is my punchy rice bowl, all made in one pan. If you want to add a little extra punch, I normally would add like a wedge of lime, squeeze that all over, and it's ready to eat. That is all of the flavor, none of the fuss. Now you can take your taste buds on a taste adventure. With the trusted flavor of Schwartz and my helping hand, you can feel confident that your next meal is going to be a real hit. Take your pick from recipe kits, mixes, and seasonings to bring effortless flavor to everyday meals. Find more delicious recipes and learn about my exclusive range with Schwartz at schwartz.co.uk. God, aren't you feeling accomplished already? Now you're cooking.